Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft, being Microsoft, there's always some goof up somewhere. Just so funny because we're going to talk about it in another video, but there's the bug bash if you're an insider and you want to play around with testing different features. There's the bug bash that is happening right now and has a lot of quests, things to try out and to give your opinion on. But the funniest thing is that there was a quest that actually was asking people to turn on a specific feature and to download something called the staging tool. And you had a link to that here, and to enable a policy. So it would give all the steps and how to do it. But the funniest thing is that this is kind of like the Vive tool. It's a tool that enables features that are within Windows that aren't supposed to be there. So it's kind of interesting. That quest has been removed now, and it's just too funny. So if you want to learn more, Xenopanther is the guy to follow. He's got all the information on these things. You should follow the guy. He's got all sorts of little scoops like that he actually notices time after time. So do follow Xenopanther. It's worth it if you want to know a little more of the insides of Microsoft Windows and other products also. So it's kind of funny. So now they removed it because they obviously found out that, well, no, wait a minute. What are you doing? You're giving a tool to enable all sorts of things. Now people are going to use this to enable features you don't want to be enabled before everybody else. Just so funny. It's just so funny. That's Microsoft for you. So anyways, it's just so funny to see this. And it is something that happens so often, that Microsoft posts something, then removes it a few hours later. They notice they goofed up or it shouldn't be there. I don't know how many times that happened with Microsoft. And I don't know. I think it just shows us how Microsoft works. A lot of things are done without really thinking about it. Just funny. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.